Welcome back, everyone. We're gonna show you how to get this board. Simple technique. It was requested by one of our subscribers on the channel. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're back at it again. Had another request. We're gonna be doing a tiger theme on this with bright orange and black highlights. And I just want to show, I've already mixed my colors, but I want to show you guys how to clean your mixing paddles off. We got denatured alcohol in here, and I like to tilt it away from me just in case it splashes. And we're just gonna run that forward and reverse. And it cleans them off. You can wipe this off if you want. Really cool trick. Okay, so I've already got my stuff mixed up. I'm gonna do the bright orange base coat. This has been about 25, probably about 25 minutes, so I'm gonna do a dispersing on it, just using clear isopropyl. I'm gonna do big drops, kind of give it more of an effect. All right guys, here's the finished board. I want to give a shout out to Redheaded Star B?
B-Star B.
Redheaded B-Star D for giving us the idea to do this. It was a fun project. As you guys saw, I kind of went at it one way. It didn't turn out how I wanted, so I kept messing with it, did some different stuff, and that's how universal the resin is. So if you don't like it, you don't have to stop. Keep playing with it and you can get stuff like this. Super, super cool. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.